Welcome to Shipment Adventures. This is a quick 2-minute review of Thousand Trails Cherokee Landing, which is located in Salisbury, Tennessee. This Thousand Trails spans 250 acres and is nestled in the quiet woods, which offers a retreat into nature. This Thousand Trails is also located in the southwest corner of Tennessee, and it also borders Mississippi. It offers a serene environment, which is perfect for relaxation and recreation. Once you enter into Phase 1, which offers cabins which sleep up to 6 people. Then you head into the main campground. There are a few 30 amp full hookup sites and very few 50 amp full hookup sites. We were able to get a 30 amp full hookup site, and for our purposes it did end up working. There's a bathhouse in the very back of the Phase 1 campground with a laundry room. There is also a large pond on site which offers a few waterfront view sites from the RV spots and on-site fishing. There is a Tomahawk Lodge, which is the main lodge, and unfortunately it is currently closed. It says it's closed for renovations, and we're not sure what the timeline is on that. There's also a really great bridge that connects the campground area to the Tomahawk Lodge, and our kids really enjoyed this bridge. It offered some great views. Cherokee Landing does need a few improvements, but overall we had a really great week here despite rainy weather. The campground features a large swimming pool that has recently been renovated, and despite the closure of the Tomahawk Lodge, there's a superhost building that they leave open mostly 24/7. It's got a lot of amenities, a large seating area for events and activities when they're hosted. It has pool tables, hockey table, and a vending machine, as well as a game room with ping pong, basketball, and various games. There's an outdoor seating area as well. Our family had a great time at this campground, and we will be excited to see the improvements when we return. For more reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more travel guides and resort reviews. See you on the next adventure.